When you join Dr. Goldsmith, you're getting my best advice based on decades of bench experience, all focused on helping you get through everything faster and easier than I got through it. You can send me your questions and the problems that are driving you crazy, and once a month we'll get together for a live Zoom emergency room. I'll show you what went wrong, how to fix it, and how to never let that happen to you again. If you can't make it live or just don't want to, don't worry. Each session is recorded and then goes into a searchable vault you have access to at any time. And then there's a gold mine. That's where every solved problem lives. It's in a searchable archive with tooltips and extra videos and all the information you need to thoroughly understand the problems and the solutions that we cover. You can also be a part of our private community of jewelers. That's where you show what's really going on at the bench, success, failure, everything in between, with none of the pressure to look perfect like you do on social media. So that's what you'll get, live problem solving every month and replays you can search anytime. The gold mine full of solutions and a community that's real, with no assholes tolerated. And you'll get me, over 30 years in the studio and thousands of disasters under my belt. I will use every bit of that experience to help you solve the problems that you're having right now. I hope you'll join me in Dr. Goldsmith.